Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make repost private on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application and click on profile. From profile, you simply need to go on to the repost tab. But you can see that there is no option here. So let me go into the click on three bars on the top right, click on settings and privacy and go into the privacy. But you can see there is no option available currently right now here. So how you can do that? So you simply need to go back and click on your repost and you simply need to save this as your favorite. Okay, and after that click on that and click on the share and remove your repost video. So this is the only method possible that you can save your repost videos in favorite. So here you can see. So this is the only method possible that you can currently do. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.